You crying loud all the way across town. You've been searching for that someone that is beyond all the prowl. As you sit around feeling sorry for yourself, well, don't get lonely now, and try your white eyes. I'm just rooming for the moment, sleeves in my backyard since I've gotten so uptight. You've been thinking about ditching me. No time to search the world around, 'cause you know where I'll be found when I come around. Well, I heard it all before, so don't knock at my door. I'm a loser and a user, so I don't need no accuser to try and slack me down, because I know you're right. So go do what you like, make sure you do it wise. You may find out that your self-doubt means nothing, was ever there. You can't go forcing something if it's just